We set out to see the waterfalls at this historic spot near Watertown, New York, but ended up discovering something way more intense. A massive display of chainsaw art that felt straight out of Halloween. Today is August 2nd, 2025. The cider mill was built on this 30-foot waterfall. It powered the original mill. We were driving by Burrville Power Equipment when this huge outdoor display caught our eye. Turns out it's not just a power tools shop. They host epic chainsaw events. Recently, there was the U.S. Open Chainsaw Sculpture Championship held here. Actually, it was July 23rd through 26th, so we just missed it. World-class carvers from places like Australia, Japan, and Ireland competed explaining the high-quality, diverse pieces that you will see. Some carvings even ended up at local spots like Zoo, New York. Every single one of them was a masterpiece. As you can see in this one, the detail is just amazing. This was my absolute favorite. Watch his eyes. It looks like he's expecting us to come around the corner and smiling at us. I just love this one. This sculpture tells the story of a spirit that bends but never breaks, that flows with life's turbulence while staying anchored in self. It is about embracing movement, honoring wounds, and finding strength not by resisting change, but by moving through it with purpose and integrity. Otters are agile, playful, and remarkably adaptable creatures. Their movement in opposing directions suggests resilience through flexibility, not resisting life's currents, but flowing with them. Even when paths diverge or become chaotic, their playful energy represents lightness despite adversity, a key trait of emotional resilience. The tree anchors the entire sculpture. It's rooted, solid, and deeply embedded, symbolizing inner strength, values, and faith. Even as life moves around it in unpredictable ways, as represented by the otters, the tree stands firm, showing that resiliency is not rigidity, but rootedness. The owner of Burrville Power Equipment has been into chainsaw carving for over 10 years and does demos. From waterfall wonders to chainsaw thrills, Burrville delivers surprises.